Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Hi, David. I'm Marie. Nice to meet you too.
Hello and welcome. If you are listening right now and you want to improve your English, but you don't know what to say in real life, this episode is for you. I'm David.
And I'm Marie. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to help you feel more confident when you introduce yourself in English.
You don't need long sentences. You don't need difficult grammar.
You only need simple, natural English that people really use.
In this episode, you will listen to 8 real-life situations.
In each situation, you will hear a short, natural conversation.
After each conversation, we will give you time to repeat important sentences.
So please relax, listen carefully, and imagine yourself in each situation.
Let's imagine a very common situation. You meet someone for the first time.
You don't know this person yet, but you want to be polite and friendly.
Listen carefully to how the conversation starts.
Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Hi, David. I'm Marie. Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just arrived a few minutes ago.
Oh, same here. I didn't know many people.
Me neither. I was a little nervous at first.
I understand. New places can feel strange.
Yes, but everyone seems very friendly.
That's true. So, what do you do, Marie?
I work in marketing. And you?
I'm a designer. I work mostly online.
That sounds interesting.
Thanks. I'm glad we met.
Now, imagine your first day at work.
You meet a new colleague and you want to introduce yourself clearly and politely.
Listen to how they speak. Hi, you must be the new colleague.
Yes, that's right. My name is David.
Welcome, David. I'm Marie.
Nice to meet you, Marie. This is my first day.
How do you feel?
A little nervous, but excited too.
That's normal. The first day is always like that.
Everyone has been very kind so far.
I'm glad to hear that. What team are you joining?
I'm joining the design team.
Oh, great. We work closely with them.
Perfect. I'm happy to be here. Now, imagine you meet your neighbor for the first time.
This is a friendly and relaxed situation.
Listen to how simple the introduction is.
Hi there. Excuse me, I think we are neighbors.
Oh, yes, I think so too. I live in the apartment next door.
Oh, that's great. Nice to meet you. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Marie.
I just moved in last week, so everything is still very new for me.
Oh, welcome then. Moving to a new place can be a little stressful.
Yes, that's true. But people here seem very friendly.
They are. Most neighbors are very kind and helpful.
That's good to hear. I was a little worried at first.
Don't worry, you chose a nice building.
Thank you. How long have you lived here?
Almost 3 years now. Time goes very fast.
Wow, that's a long time. You must know the area very well.
Yes, I do. If you need advice or help, just let me know.
That's very kind of you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm sure we'll see each other again soon. Now, imagine you are at a party.
You don't know many people, but you want to start a conversation.
Listen to how they introduce themselves naturally. Hi, I don't think we've met before.
Hi, no, I don't think so either. I'm David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Marie.
Nice to meet you too, Marie.
Is this your first time at this kind of party?
Yes, it is. I don't know many people here.
Same for me. I only know the host.
How do you know him?
We studied together at university. What about you?
We work together. He invited me last week.
That's nice. He's a very friendly person.
Yes, I agree. The atmosphere here is very relaxed.
Yes, it feels comfortable.
Do you come to parties like this often?
Not really. I prefer small gatherings.
Butu, big parties can be a bit tiring.
That's true. But it's nice to meet new people.
Yes, I'm glad we started talking.
Now, imagine you were in a class.
You want to introduce yourself to other students.
Listen to how they speak clearly and calmly.
Hi, everyone. My name is David.
Hi, David. I'm Marie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Marie. Is this your first class here?
Yes, it is. I feel a little nervous, to be honest.
I understand. I feel the same way.
Starting a new class is always stressful.
Yes, but it's also exciting.
That's true. Why did you decide to study English?
I want to feel more confident when I speak.
Me too. I understand English, but speaking is difficult.
Yes, speaking takes time and practice.
Where are you from, David?
I'm from Spain, and you?
I'm from France.
That's nice. I think this class will help us a lot.
Yes, I think so too. I'm happy to be here. Now, imagine an online meeting.
You see someone on your screen for the first time.
Listen to how they introduce themselves online.
Hi, Marie. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you very well. Can you hear me too?
Yes, everything sounds good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Thank you for joining the call today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Is this your first meeting today?
No, it's my third meeting already.
Oh, wow, that's a lot. Online meetings can be tiring.
Yes, they can be, but they are also very convenient.
That's true. I like working from home.
Me too. It saves a lot of time.
It's nice to meet new people online like this.
Yes, I agree. I'm happy we are talking today.
Now, imagine you are in a cafe.
You want to be polite and friendly with the staff.
Listen to how introductions work in this situation.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. Welcome.
Hi, this is our first time here.
Oh, welcome then. My name is Anna. Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Marie.
And I'm David.
Nice to meet you both. How can I help you today? I would like a coffee, please.
And I'll have a tea.
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar? Just a little milk, please.
No sugar for me, thank you.
No problem. Please take a seat. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, imagine a very casual moment.
You sit next to someone and start a small conversation.
Listen to how natural and relaxed it sounds.
Hi, excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. I'm David, by the way.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Marie.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you come here often?
Yes, usually in the afternoon. It's very relaxing.
I agree. I like coming here after work.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's perfect for a walk or a break.
Do you live near here?
Yes, just a few minutes away.
Same for me. It's a nice area.
Yes, it really is.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too. It was nice meeting you.
You've just listened to 8 real-life situations.
And in each situation, you heard simple, natural English.
You don't need perfect English to introduce yourself.
You only need a name, a smile, and a few kind words.
Remember, making mistakes is normal.
Every time you speak, you learn. Every time you listen, you improve.
Try to practice one situation today, just one.
Listen again, repeat the sentences, and imagine yourself in the situation.
English is not about being perfect.
It's about connecting with people.
Thank you for listening and spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and come back for the next one.
We are happy to learn English with you.
See you next time.